Hey everybody, welcome back. Welcome to my house tour. This is going to be a quick little tour of my house. Here is our playroom. This is coming in from the door from the carport. And this used to be like I said, it used to be a carport. They closed into a room and we have made it a playroom. That's the laundry room. Holy moly, it's a disaster in there. It always is. So sorry. Anyway, just a couple different views of the playroom. Some of my boys' artwork from school. And then here's from one of the other corners. That's the door I was standing next to on the left. That door in front is the door to the playroom. And that door right there is the door into the house. So here we go into the kitchen. This is kind of a kitchen, living room, dining room area. Now we're going to walk up into the dining room. And there's our actual front door that we don't really ever use. Sorry, there's a puzzle all over the table that I've been trying to finish. And then here's my gallery wall. Now we are going to go ahead and go into our living room. This room is kind of just a sitting room. We don't have our TV in this room, so it's just kind of where we hang out when we have friends over, if we're just sitting around. And then, of course, my pictures of my sweet boys, my oil diffuser. And then, as you can see here, there's the bar into the kitchen. And here's a different angle of the kitchen. And then here's this back bedroom. I guess it's not really a bedroom. It's our TV room. We don't watch a ton of TV, so it was easier to put it in this small room. And then we have our desk out there where it catches everything, as you can tell. So backing up, there's that room. Now here we go up into the hallway. The first door on the left here is going to be Gavin's room. Gavin is my 2-year-old. He is in desperate need of new paint and decor. I just haven't quite gotten there yet. Then going to the next room on the left, this is the master bedroom. It looks tiny. It's not necessarily that tiny. We just have very big furniture. Here's our little master bathroom. We just have a tile shower and a toilet and a sink. So no tub in this bathroom. And then, of course, like I said, we just have some big furniture. We have a California king-size bed and 3 dressers in here. So it makes our room feel very small. Now back out and across the hall, this is the guest bathroom, or this is the boys' bathroom. If you can't tell, we like the Carolina Panthers. That door over there actually goes into the back bedroom, and I'll show you from the other angle. And then now we're going to go into my son Easton's bedroom. He is 5. Oh, no, he's actually 6. He just turned 6. And he's got a fish tank, and he's got a little bit bigger boys. Now that door right over there on the right is the door that goes into the hall bathroom. And then there's his closet, of course. Now we're going to walk back out down the hallway, and I'll give you a little overall. This is kind of our living area. Thanks for stopping by. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button for new videos. Bye.